Hi guys and welcome. Are you ready to take your earning potential to the next level? Meet AI Avatar, a game-changing technology for online entrepreneurs. With this AI avatar, you'll have access to unprecedented earning opportunities that will make you wonder and inspired. Join us today and discover the power of artificial intelligence and how you can use it to make more profit.
Have you heard about DrawAnyone.ai? This fantastic AI-based tool allows you to create custom portraits of anyone you want in any way you can imagine. It uses a combination of 5 to 10 photos of the person to create a unique AI portrait customized to your specifications. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can even customize your AI portraits with all sorts of fun cues. For example, you can have Jesus riding a unicorn walking on a rainbow in the jungle, or portrait with isolated colors with sharp dark comic outlines. The tool is all about giving you the freedom to let your imagination run wild. But that's not all. DrawAnyone.ai also has a community page where you can see portraits that other users have created and shared. It's cool to see all the different styles and techniques people come up with. You can even create AI portraits of your pets. How awesome is that? The portraits created with DrawAnyone.ai are just breathtaking. They come in various styles and techniques, such as digital portraits, pop art paintings, and even oil on canvas. And the resulting AI portraits are highly detailed, with vivid colors and intricate details that will make your jaw drop. Some of the portraits created by DrawAnyone.ai are just incredible. For example, there's a colorful portrait by KAWS, airbrushed on canvas in pastel colors and cel shading, 8K Pixar style. Or how about a portrait of a mythical folks demon with ornate and intricate facial features, a flowing and smoky design, symmetrical and sharp focus and bright colors. This portrait was created using Unreal Engine and Octane render with elements of anime art and non-Nodoroid figures by the Good Smile company. There are also portraits of toy figures with intricate detail, atmospheric lighting, bokeh and photographic realism in 4K. And if you're in the mood for something a little more fantastical, there's a portrait of an ugly monster with spikes on his body, purple skin and gold armor against a battlefield backdrop. Artists create these portraits like Greg Rutkowski, Dan Mumford, Art Gurm, and Peter Moorbacher with great detail, sharp focus, and alien elements. If you're an art lover, you'll appreciate the portraits featured on popular art platforms like ArtStation and DeviantArt. There are garbage portraits, hyper-realistic paintings of attractive men, pictures of genies with Islamic tattoos, a handsome man in a leather harness, and even a highly detailed, retrofuturistic cyborg infographic from Popular Mechanics magazine. And that's not all. There are portraits of origami paper sculptures, a highly detailed and ultra-realistic illusion of Saint Sebastian's martyrdom, a realistic image with fangs and long hair, a statue of a necromancer with a cyberphone, a two-color trippy conceptual illustration of 1960s LSD, a portrait of a Victorian-era master, and even a tourist visiting lizard man cultists. Last but not least, there's a neon light sign in the shape of a gorgeous woman with a detailed face, hyper-realistic and studio quality. This tool truly has something for everyone, and I can't wait to see what you can create with DrawAnyone.ai. Have you heard about Reflect Me? It's a fantastic AI-based service that lets you create custom digital images of yourself that are truly one of a kind. With Reflect Me, you can make your own personalized AI avatar, profile picture, LinkedIn profile photo, and more. The best part is, it's so much fun. So how does it work? Reflect Me uses two state-of-the-art algorithms, Stable Diffusion and Dream Booth, to create your custom images. You can choose from a wide range of digital art styles, including anime, doctor, Santa, costume, bride, Viking, cartoon, aura, idol, astronaut, alumnus, chef, scion, king, and cowboy. With so many options, you can find one that suits your personality and style. To start, you simply upload some photos of yourself. These photos train a temporal AI model, which generates your desired images. The best part is Reflect Me checks each image manually to ensure the highest quality possible. Once the process is complete, the shots are emailed to you, and your photos and the AI model are deleted for good, so you can rest assured that your privacy is protected. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using ReflectMe. You should upload about 10 photos of your face and upper body in different lighting, angles, and facial expressions. These will help the AI model to create the best images possible. Then, images are provided in a square format, 512 or 512, so they're perfect for social media and other online profiles. ReflectMe offers a Discover pack of 20 images with your initial purchase. This is a great way to try out different art styles and see which ones you like best. And that's not all. ReflectMe is constantly updating and improving its service so that you can expect even more exciting features and options in the future. They're always on the cutting edge of technology and dedicated to providing their users with the best possible experience. Not only is ReflectMe fun and easy to use, but it's also affordable. With prices starting at just a few dollars, it's a small investment for a significant impact. You don't have to be a tech expert in using ReflectMe. The service is designed with the average person in mind, so anyone can enjoy it. Another great thing about ReflectMe is that it's perfect for all occasions. Whether you're looking to create a unique profile picture for social media or you're looking to revamp your LinkedIn profile for a job search, ReflectMe has got you covered. And with various art styles, you're sure to find one that fits your personality and style. In summary, ReflectMe is a must-try service for anyone looking to make a statement online. With its state-of-the-art technology, user-friendly interface, and affordable prices, it's no wonder why ReflectMe has become so popular. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for ReflectMe today and see why it's the best AI-based digital image creation service on the market. Have you heard about AI Photo of Me? It's a super cool online photo generator that uses the magic of artificial intelligence to create personalized profile photos for its users. And let me tell you, it's unlike anything you've ever seen. So here's how it works. You simply upload 10-20 of your favorite photos, and the app uses its AI algorithm to analyze your features and preferences. It then creates a custom profile photo tailored just for you in one of the 100 styles available. Can you imagine having a profile photo representing you and your personality? Well, now you can. The best part is that AI Photo of Me is super easy to use, even for those with limited technical knowledge. The app's user-friendly interface makes creating your custom profile photo a breeze, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can even purchase additional styles to switch things up. The options are endless. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself. Marko Pekas, an independent developer from Croatia, developed the app. All data is securely stored in the United States, so you can feel confident that your information is safe. The app promises to remove photos and user data within 7 days, and the payment process is secure. If you still need to get more satisfied with your purchase, you can request a refund within 14 days. And let me tell you, the results are nothing short of amazing. Users have raved about the app and the personalized profile photos it creates. The AI model accurately captures your unique features and preferences with stunning precision. Whether you're looking to revamp your social media presence or just want a new profile photo, AI Photo of Me has you covered. But the app's benefits continue. Not only does it create personalized profile photos, but it also saves you time and effort. No more spending hours scrolling through your camera roll to find a perfect photo or spending money on professional photos. With AI Photo of Me, you can have a stunning profile photo in just a few minutes from the comfort of your home. So, if you're looking for a fun and unique way to spice up your profile photos, AI Photo of Me is worth checking out. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking for a convenient, personalized, and affordable way to create profile photos that truly represent them. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to stand out online, AI Photo of Me is the answer. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today and join the thousands of users who are already loving their new profile photos. Have you heard about DreamPeak AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPeak AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and DreamBooth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPeak AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPeak AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPeak AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPeak AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create. Have you heard of Arty.pics? It's super cool AI-powered avatar program that allows you to create avatars from your photos. Think about it. You can have an AI version of yourself to use as your social media profile picture or to show off to your friends and family. Here's how it works. You upload up to 20 photos of yourself, making sure to include a mix of close-up shots of your face, chest-up shots, and full-body images. The more variety you can provide in clothing, facial expressions, and poses, the better the AI can generate an accurate avatar. Once you've uploaded your photos, the AI gets to work, and within a few hours, it creates over 200 avatars in various styles. Arty.pics will send you an email with a link to your project, and you can check out the fantastic avatars that have been generated for you. And here's the best part. You can download and share your avatars on social media networks to show off your AI-generated self to the world. The service cost is $29, but unfortunately there's no free trial available. And once the AI starts learning from your photos, you won't be able to edit them. But you can purchase more credits and start a new project from scratch. But like with any technology, there are some potential downsides. Arty.pics cannot guarantee the accuracy of the images generated by the AI, and there's a chance you might end up with an artistic nude or some other content you're not happy with. But don't worry, if this happens, you can always contact Arty.pics and they'll be more than happy to help. Additionally, the avatars generated by Arty.pics can be used for various purposes beyond social media. You can use them as a profile picture for work, personal email accounts, or even as characters in video games or animations. The possibilities are endless. Another significant aspect of Arty.pics is that it's a great way to capture a moment. Imagine having an AI-generated version of yourself from 5 or 10 years ago, or even from just last year. It's like a digital time capsule that you can revisit anytime you want. But beyond just being a fun and unique tool, Arty.pics also has the potential to significantly impact the world of technology. As AI continues to advance, we're going to see more and more applications like these that allow us to interact with technology in new and exciting ways. So there you have it. If you're looking for a fun and lighthearted way to create an AI-generated avatar to yourself, Arty.pics are worth checking out.